All right, today we are going to be reading a story called A Look at Breakfast. And I want you to read along with me. All right, here we go. A Look at Breakfast. Bread is good for breakfast, but this isn't bread yet. It is wheat. Flour will be made from the wheat. The wheat is crushed to make flour. First, dough is made. Next, the dough is shaped and baked. Then it is done. It is bread. Last, the bread is put in bags. Grape jam is good on bread. But this isn't jam yet. It is a grapevine full of grapes. Grapes grow on vines and then they are picked when they are ripe. Trucks take the grapes to a plant. Every grape is crushed to make mush. After that, the mush is cooked. Now it is grape jam. Yum! Orange juice is good for breakfast, too. Lots and lots of sun makes oranges big and ripe. They will taste good. Soon, the big, ripe oranges will get pulled down. Trucks take piles and piles of oranges to a plant. Then they get washed. Next, they get crushed. Big sacks get filled with juice. The food is shipped in trucks to shops. It is stacked up. Now it is for sale. People will buy it and bring it home. It will make a good breakfast. It takes work to make food for breakfast. This is a chart we're going to look at, and it has different headers: food, where it comes from, and how it's made. So first, our food is bread, and it comes from, do you remember? It comes from wheat. That's right. How is it made? Wheat is crushed into flour. Dough is made, and then the dough is baked into bread. Our next food is, what is it? Grape jam. Where does it come from? It comes from grapes. Grapes are crushed to make mush. Mush is cooked into jam. Right? Our last food that we talked about in our story was orange juice, right? Where orange juice comes from, and it comes from a food. It comes from oranges. Oranges are crushed into juice. All right, we learned about some different things that we could eat for breakfast and how they are made. Let's see. What would be your favorite thing? Would it be the jam, the bread, or the orange juice? I'm going to say mine would be bread because I love to eat bread. Maybe yours is orange juice. All right, I want you to stop the video, rewind it, and read it again with me. See you later. Bye.